Hey guys, it's your favorite Japanese teacher Toshi on takelessons.com. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Today, I'm gonna make Japanese traditional meal. It's called Nabeyaki Udon. The Nabeyaki Udon have to be used clay pot, just like this. So I'm gonna use Japanese clay pot today. And in this season, this meal make your heart warm and body as well. So it's easy and fun. Let's get started. Japanese clay pot is called donabe. Donabe. Two cups water. MIZU 2カップ 水2カップ Fish broth 白だし Soy sauce 醤油 Fish broth 1 tablespoon and 1 half 白だし小さじ1と2分の1小さじ1と2分の1 Soy sauce 1 tablespoon醤油小さじ1杯醤油小さじ1杯 Pinch of dry bonito fish flakes かつお節 So prepare for しいたけ mushroom しいたけand fish cake かまぼこ Then start to put on Japanese udon noodle udon Let's put on ingredients chicken thigh 鶏のもも肉 Then beans sprouts もやし Then spinach ほうれん草 Then えのきマッシュルームえのきだけ Then しいたけマッシュルームしいたけ Then scallion is ネギ Then fish cake かまぼこ Then carrot 人参 Then egg 卵 So place the lid, cook on medium high 5 minutes, then take a look. When stir the bubbling, fix your vegetables and place the lid again. Cook on medium for 15 minutes. So, during the waiting for the 15 minutes, let's dance. It smells so good. ただ出来上がり Then sprinkle dry KELPS shaving とろろ昆布 Then put the garnish バラブンバラビン Enjoy